Kuma riria mubango wa gutungatira arwaru wa COVID-19 mucii wambiriirie namba-ini ya andu aria mahonete kuringana na thirikari gicunji kinene kirakorwo kiri kia aria mari mucii.
Today 499 patients have recovered, out of which 406 are from the home-based care program.
Aya mari mucii ministry ya ugima wa mwiri irauga ni gicunji kia 90 kia arwaru na aya matikoragwo na dariri cingimatoria tiga iria cia homa na angi matire na dariri o ciothe cia kuonania ni arwaru tiga mathimitwo.
They are healthy people in all other ways. The danger they pose, of course, is spreading the virus, shedding the virus and spreading it to others.
Mundu wothe tureka home based care turamuthomithia ona riu kuri andu marathi magithia in the counties.
Kuiga arwaru aya mucii ona kuri uguo kurakorwo guthurimitwo na njira nene ni maabitha ugima wa mwiri na nigetha murwaru aikare mucii ndagiriirwo ni gukorwo na dariri cingibatara uhuthiri wa macini, akorwo atari na murimu ungi na akorwo na handu angiikara keheri-ini.
Wa testwo wi positive wathie gwaku nyumba urikara uking'etagia kana temperature nira haisha kana ni uraremwo ni kuhuhia kana ni urenderea gukorora, symptoms ingianjia gutuika worse hindeo niguo ukuhura thimu nigetha uthie thibitari ikuria ungihota kugitirwo.
Na rira wigite uguo kithondekera gwithondekagire kumusigana ukekororwa mucii we uguka mundu aroka kumuroria kana akaburwa thimo akaumagara akamutigana na family.
No because tondu gikombe kiria urahuthira na kiria mundu ucio arahuthira koguo ni very easy kugia coronavirus.
The total number in home based care currently is about 1052 that have been follow up.
Riera ria mucii na murwaru guikara na thayo kuria amenyerete kuringana na ataramu ni uracangira hanene hari arwaru kuhona, no niguo ndagakorwo ari ugwati kuri andu angi murwaru na mumumenyereri magirirwo ni gukorwo na ubaciriri wa gikiro kia iguru.
Mundu agaendelea kuigua wega eri na andu aria mamwendete aria maramuthuthuria aria maramurumbuia ni iyo ni teithagia.
Kuria irio cia kuhe mwiri hinya wa kuhurana na mirimu, kuria matunda, kunyua ndimu, kunogora mwiri na guota riua ni mamwe ma maundu maria marongerera uritu wa kuhura njeki hinya wa mwiri hari kuhurana na virus ici na hinda-ini ria thiku 14 aingi a arwaru marakorwo mahonete.
We recommend that you have a wholesome diet made up of all food groups, including the micronutrients from fruits and vegetables, which are important in enhancing your immunity.
Murwaru agirirwo ni guikara keheri-ini na gukorwo na riera riganu na ari kuu angikorwo ni araikarania na mundu ungi ndagirirwo ni kurura kuria kurahuthirwo ni murwaru na andu angi ta kioro na bafu gugathambio o hindi murwaru ahuthira na ndagacererwo ta arwaru aria angi.
It is a program that the World Health Organization has fully backed, and I think if we manage those risks of spread of the virus in these asymptomatics, this home-based care will be able to allow us to manage this pandemic.
Kurumbuiria arwaru wa murimu wa COVID-19 mucii thirikari yugite kurakorwo kuhonoketie mbeca iria murwaru umwe wa COVID-19 arahuthira na gicunji kia 80, kuona ona murwaru ari thibitari gicunji kinene kia mbeca kirahuthirwo kugitira ndagitari.
This means that our facilities will have to care for the remaining 10% of COVID positive patients, those that will need hospitalization being those with moderate, severe and critical disease.
Kuongerereka kwa namba ya arwaru a murimu wa COVID-19 hatari nganja kurakunderia mariri maria maigitwo keheri-ini na no gukinye handu kurituhire ministry ya ugima wa mwiri na angikorwo kuiga arwaru mucii ni kuraciara maciaro. Giki ni kihonia gia kunyihanyihia muhatikano wa arwaru thibitari-ini. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.